Let's make my favorite oven roasted tomato sauce. We're gonna start by using lots of fresh and super ripe tomatoes. I'm using the one from my dad's garden. If you go to the farmer's market, it's always a good place to get really good quality tomatoes this time of the year. I'm just chopping them into quarter or into halves, and then I'm also chopping 2 small white onion into quarters. I'm just adding everything to a large baking tray together with lots of fresh basil, some fresh oregano and some thyme, lots of garlic cloves, a general drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna roast everything in the oven until the tomatoes are nice and blistered. I'm just squishing out the garlic flesh from the skin, and then I'm just blitzing everything together until smooth. I'm adding some extra chopped fresh basil, and your tomato sauce is ready. It's perfect for pasta, or is also perfect on pizza.